Here we go under the admiration of other people's rust. We're gonna drive this big dog today. That 1960s Detroit diesel. So this one goes out to my boy Corn Fed. Hey brother, I'm operating. Check this shit out. That's right. Out here admiring other people's rust. Driving around the property. This is what you get when you got, you know, a couple of acres that's just yours. It's fucking awesome. Welcome to the Clueston cabin build. Making little piles and shit again. Now we're moving some shit. I'm gonna have to call Joe for a second depending on his operator shit, but these are big boys and big toys. Operator enough for you?